Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, my students have been studying their ultrasonic sensor. So they've been doing different projects with their ultrasonic sensor. So the next few videos, maybe 3 or 4, I'm going to be bringing you projects that they have done with their ultrasonic sensor. Some that they've made up on their own, some that they have built with instructions. So today what I want to do is, this is a completely made up one. I want to give props to Andee. It is the EV3 toilet paper dispenser roll. It's an automatic toilet paper dispenser where if you see, if the ultrasonic sensor sees your hand, it will actually dispense the toilet paper. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay, again, so give it up for Andee. She created this out of her creativity and just thought, decided, hey, this is something that somebody could actually use. So the students just have to be able to create something that has some type of purpose, some type of ultrasonic sensor, and it's automatic or it's automated, so that way you don't really have to do anything. So let's go ahead and take a look at this toilet paper dispenser. Okay, everybody, so there it is. What I love about this robot, it's so simplistic in its design. It's not over the top complicated. And what I love too is it's completely functional. So let me bring this over here to the edge. And this kind of solidifies the argument, over or under. This is definitely the way it should be. It's going to be over. So if we play the program here, it's just going to wait for... That is very cool. So it just rolls out the paper, and I don't know. It's kind of a private question whether that's enough for somebody, but it's a really cool project, and it's looped, so that way if you need some more, it will just give you more. So it's just a really cool example, again, of something functional where the students can make a connection between their ultrasonic sensor and something in real life that has a purpose, that has a function. So Andee, great job for this creative, functional, just very cool over-the-top project, the toilet paper dispenser. Okay guys, so there you have it. Thank you again, Andee, for that awesome, amazing robot. So for those of you that are viewing this that want to see the next few stages, I'm going to be bringing you some more videos where my students have taken their ultrasonic sensor and made something really cool out of it. And so you have to keep viewing to see the next few projects. And for those of you that teach robotics, this is something very cool to be able to just allow, because all the other students are looking at that robot going, man, that's amazing. So what's really cool is the students, once they're able to see all the other robots, I have my students just have free reign to create things or to look up things to see if they can build it with that ultrasonic sensor. What's really neat is they're able to just walk around and see the different robots and all the different ideas. So it's just enlightening for everybody to be able to see all the different ideas that have been created. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, and be looking for the next one where you'll see another ultrasonic sensor project. Okay guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.